My name is Jason, and I live in Fresno, California. My favorite part of working in real estate is I love meeting different people. All the work I've done prior to real estate really involved being of service to people. And as a result, I learned the power of listening to what they're saying, what they're not saying.
Man, awesome.
Being a premier agent, you have to be the best advocate for your client. You build a relationship with them. A lot of my clients have become like lifelong friends. We're talking about buying a home, like a place where they're gonna raise their kids, they're gonna cook, they're gonna run around. It really is exciting to hand somebody keys. There's something magical about that. Community for me, it's diversity. This is one of the things I love so much about Fresno. We celebrate that. Fres for me is it's about telling the positive stories of the people, the places, and the lifestyle and the homes of Fresno. And our clients benefit tremendously with this positive outlook of Fresno because if everyone loves where they live, they invest more into it. We often say, the grass is green where you water it. The most effective use of technology in our business really is the ability to just reach more people. I always want to connect in a meaningful way. Our office is different than most offices across the country in that, we're really set up to allow the community to come in and do things. I am trying to pass on to my agents that people matter, more so now than it ever has been. I think that if every generation, makes the next just a little bit better, it kind of pushes society forward. So I think it's my responsibility to do just at least that. I would hope somebody would say, he made us better, he made our community better, he made us as a community of real estate agents better, and I strive for that. I love my city, and I love what I do for my city, and they literally create this amazing inspiration that every day I get up for.